Alright guys, it is Friday, January 17th, I believe, and the weather has changed. It is raining in some areas, including on me off and on, so water drops on the camera today, sorry. If it keeps doing this, it's only like a up to 12% chance while I'm going to be here, so I only have a few hours. I'll be crazy. Front's moving in, it's getting cold, it's raining. Yesterday was beautiful, sunny, warm. Fish were actually biting good, first time in the last 4 or 5 trips I've been out that had any luck. So, I was hoping to catch a little more of that action this morning before this front settles in this afternoon and it gets cold, and I'm sure it's going to shut them down. So, I'm going to Brushy Creek. I'm going to take a little walk in the water, see if I can find some fishies. Let's go. Man, it's just all rocky right here. There should be fish hiding in all this. Oh. Back there, maybe a little sunfish or something. Yeah, there's a big fish. Peck. Peck from the sunfish. They are annoying, especially, it's winter, it's cooling down, and these fish sometimes they don't bite quite as aggressive. Temperatures are cold, they slow down. Oh, son of a gun, that'd put a good yank on it. Might have been another little sunfish though, I think so. I'm gonna move on. Alright, I suspect anywhere out in here could be some fishies, so let's take a few casts. Got some more calm water over here next to the flow. I'll go cast right down there too. Let's see if we'll come pick this worm up. Come on, fishy. Oh. Whoa. Must be the little guys. Alright, lure flinging. Alright, y'all, we be lure flinging here. Yep, had to be little guys. Okay. That's alright, they're in here. We're gonna get them. If they're biting, we're gonna find them. We're gonna get them. This guy's still there biting. Myself from the water. Okay. Let's try a different rig because I found a bunch of fish now. Alright, I switched from the Bama bug to the 6-inch trick worm. And immediately I got a player. First cast, baby. Come on, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes it's got to be the trick worm, baby. Yeah. All right, little fella. Calm down. Hey. Wow, frisky little guy. Check it out. Oh, and what else does he have? Oh, he's got a crawdad. Look, guys. Okay, look. I thought about throwing on a craw. Look at that. Can you see that? Look at that. Look inside his mouth. Like a crawdad in there. Look at that. He spit it up. Look at that. He spit it up. Eating crawdads. Alright. Pretty little fish. That gives me a clue. So if I don't get a bunch on this worm, I'm going dad. We're going dad style. Yeah, baby. It is on. Thank you, God. Every fish is a thank you, God. I gotta tell you right now. If it's not, it should be. Keep that in mind. Man, I see fish. Man. Ooh, look, he saw it go down. He saw it. Come on, baby. You want that trick worm. Ooh. Oh, no. He didn't want it? No, come on, man. Trick worm. Come on, man. Oh, there's so many bass right here right now. Come on now. Trick worm. There's so many bass in here. I'm about to go straight crawdad because, yeah, he ate my worm, but he spit up a crawdad. Okay, first fish spit out a crawdad, so I couldn't help it. I switched over to a craw style. And I can see fish just cruising through here. Schools of bass in here, so come on, baby. Eat this bug. Eat this crawdad. Eat this crawdad. He's just down here cruising along. He's just crawling down there all daddy style. He won't get you. It ain't Krav McGraw. It's crawfish. And it's crawfish season. There's bass right there. Okay, look. Bass all in this and they don't want this crawdad. Only, oh no, what have you done? What have you done? No, don't swing too much, buddy. Don't swing too much now. What have you... No, 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 don't wrap around. What? No, no, no! Come on. Wow, damn it, guys. Oh, oh, hey. I gotta cut that all out. That was dumb of me. Put in a tree like that. Come on, man. Continue with the tree. Okay, threw that craw a little bit. Didn't get much love. Don't know if this can be seen, but this is just a red worm. That crawdad obviously had a lot of red, orange in it, so just seems maybe the color will make a big difference. Let's see if the color will fire them up. So, and actually, now that I've looked at this water better, I don't think all of these are bass. I think I might have been seeing some smaller carp, but there are definitely, some of these are bass. So I can see the stripe down the middle of them. So, let's see if we can't find another one to take a bite. I'm gonna walk over here and just gonna do it. Just gonna get up in here. See, that looks like a bass. That's a bass right there. Okay, here's a small school of bass right here. I don't know. There we go, baby. That red color maybe did it. There we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Nice little spot. Nice little spot. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Look at that fish. Look at that there beauty fish, baby. There's another one swimming right in front of me. Like he doesn't even know. I just took his buddy out of the water. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Sorry about all my angles. Oh man, his little buddy's just standing there looking at me, I think. There we go. You want your friend back? You want your friend back? Is that what you're looking for? Or do you want this worm? You want a shot at it? Alright, Bubba. Later on, Bubba. Later on, Bubba. Dude, you went all the wrong way. Oh, shoot. There is a school of them right there. Oh, that was beautiful. Okay. Where'd that fish go? Shit, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. That thing. That was the worst worm I ever ate. Wow, that was cool, man. That red color really got his attention, I think. I hope that's what it is. Come on, baby, let's get another one. Come on, baby, let's get another one. Eat red, fish, eat red. I can find what they're keying in on. Got 2 fish and 2 different lures. One of them literally spit out a crawdad. Oh, get it. Somebody, there's all kinds of fish here. How can all of you so easily ignore my lure? There's a bass right there. Watch. You want it? I am quite perturbed. Come on, where's the hungry fishies? I may not be that hungry today, I tell you. You darn tootin'. Telling you, this daggum weather changer done gots them. Oh, something was on me. Something was on me. Probably them little baby things. Yeah, nipping at the tail. You darn baby fish. Man, they are just tight-jawed today. I mean, I say that, I don't know, there's fish right here. I could see those earlier, and they were not having it. course, I know with this weather, there's a good risk of not having much luck. I was hoping this was going to be less. No, I think they may be wrong about their prediction today. I don't know if it's actually going to warm up. I guess it could still clear up, warm up, and then get cold again. It is Texas. Oh, nibble, nibble. A fish, a real fish, yeah. I mean, not a big one, but where you going there, guy? Where you going? Man, that was a gentle nibble. These guys have been some gentle nibblers. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Let's go by the bank. You beautiful fish, you. You beautiful fish, you. Come here. Come here. Look at you. Oh yeah. Boy, look at how that's stuck in there. In and out the top of his mouth. I'm telling you, this fish was gently nibbling. Crazy. Crazy. Pretty little guy. Real pretty. Alright. Let's get you back in there. Let's get you back in there. You ready, buddy? Alright. Later, little fella. Awesome. Thank you, God. That was awesome. Well, they might be tight-lipped, but they're biting a little bit. I just gotta keep at it. I'm gonna keep working this little area. I have a feeling there could be more hiding around over here. Maybe around the backside of that. I don't know. But awesome. Okay, I'm on my way back and found a little buddy. Let's check out this little possum over here. Not spooking him too bad. Don't try this with kids, at home, kids. Poke a possum. Possum poking. Possum poking. See his head? Hey there, buddy. Oh, you're mad, huh? You wanna eat it? Huh? Are you mad at it? You gonna wanna get it? Alright, fella, I'll leave you alone. I'm gonna stop over here and collect all these dog toys that are good. Because Zoe girl, she gonna have so many dog toys for free from this creek, she never have to buy another one. There is a, I don't know if it's a dog training facility, if it's a doggy daycare, I don't know what exactly it is, but there's a dog place upstream from here that has access to the creek. It's just really cool. They take the dogs down there. But I always find dog toys washed downstream, so pretty awesome. For the puppy at home. I mean, I say dog toys, I find balls. But, you know, she'll chase a ball. Something to chew on. New and free. Let's go see what if they're not. If they're even so, let's see what goodies the creek has deposited. I already stopped and picked one up. So we got this thing. Looks like it's it's a heart. It says bark. Here's a heart. Oh, it's full of water. Okay. There's a heart one, and here's a crunch one, and here's a weird one I don't want. There's a hard plastic one. I don't think she wants those. So, you know, she gets 3 from this visit. But I need to put these in my bag. There's the first one I picked up. That was kind of cool. Junk ball. Okay, so I added this photo at the end because my batteries died and I had one final catch, and this is the fish that I caught. So, here you go. Peace.